Here's how to schedule message on Instagram. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can schedule message on Instagram. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just simply open up Instagram and simply just head over to your DMs where you can directly schedule your messages. And now you just gotta select your message contact or whatever you want to try and do, schedule message on, and just simply press on that, and then you gotta go ahead and type the message. So I'm just gonna type in test, and then once you type whatever you want to send, now you simply don't need to press the sending button like it usually sends. What you have to do is just simply hold it on the send button, and it will show you the scheduled message. And for me, it's showing this right now, and I can simply change it to whatever I'd like to. So for today, I'm just gonna go for 1 minute. All right, or maybe 3 minutes here. As you can see, I'm just gonna press send today, and yeah, it's been set. Here, as you can see, schedule message, and here, as you can see, it will be sent at today after 2 minutes, and yeah, it will be directly sent. And yeah, you just have to wait 2 minutes after that, and it will be done. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can schedule messages on Instagram. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.